In this lesson, we'll be going over Booleans in Python. In Python, Booleans have two values, true and false. In this example, we're printing out the comparison between two strings, cat and cat. Since the strings are the same, we'll get the output as true. Here, the values are different. 2 and 4 are not the same, of course, so we'll get false. There are two things to know here. First, if you're comparing, you have to use two equal signs. If you use one equal sign, that's used for variable assignment, which we'll learn in a future lesson. But when you're comparing, you have to use two equal signs. That means you're comparing the values on both sides. If they're the same, you'll get true, and if it's not the same, if the two values are not the same, you'll get false. Also note that the first letter in true or false is always capitalized. This is important in Python because otherwise it's not recognized as a Boolean. You can also see if two things are not similar. So if they're not similar, if the two items on both sides are not similar, then you'll get the output as true. Here, you can see that Python is not the same as JavaScript. These strings are different. So since the operator in the middle is an exclamation mark and an equal signs, it means you're seeing if the two values are different. In this case, they are different, so you'll get the value, you'll get the output as true. Here, the two values are the same, and you're trying to see if the two values are different. In that case, you'll get false. That's because the two values are the same. You can also compare two numbers, like 2 is greater than 3. In this case, it's false. You can also do greater than or equal to by adding an equal sign after it. In Python. Thanks for watching.